What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to continue working on the E30 and my main goal for today is to get this interior 100%, and I want to steam clean and condition all the leather in the car and all the little pieces here and there and pretty much sort the whole interior together. So let's not waste any time and let's get right into it. Alright, so I got the whole interior nice and clean, and pretty much got the whole leather steam cleaned and conditioned, and even cleaned all these trims and pieces right here. I did this off camera because the whole process was pretty repetitive. So yeah, everything is nice and clean, everything's looking brand new. And before I start putting everything in, I did find something out. Whoever tried to cut the carpets on the car ended up cutting a bunch of wires in there as well. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix those first, and then I'll start putting the interior back in. Alright, so I got most of the interior back together and it's looking super good, super happy with the results. The leather is nearly in perfect condition and it may have a little bit defects here and there, just like this, and I can just take black leather dye and just fix those up later in the future, but that's not an issue at all. And I am missing a few things, just like the switch for the right window and the switch for the sunroof and the climate control switch and the deck. So I need to look into those. And I do have the deck from my old car, the 1984 E30. Might try that one if that works. And if that doesn't work, I'll look into something else. I'm also missing the panel that goes right there. There are some things missing, but I would say I have at least 95% of it. So that's not an issue at all. Everything's looking super amazing. And the door panels came out perfect on the both sides. Right there. The back looks amazing. The speaker panel is super good. Everything is nice and clean. And I need to change the headliner soon. I might look into a black suede headliner. And I'm going to change the whole sunroof too, because it's all messed up. So I'm going to have to get that panel as well. And yeah, so far so good. Everything looks amazing. And I'm going to end the video right here. And in the next video, I can finally start working on the engine and figure things out here and there. I am getting new parts here and there, just like this fan, just control arms and everything. So there's a whole lot of mess in there. I need to still figure everything out. So yeah, I'm excited to work on the engine bay. So stay tuned for the next one. And if you guys are new to the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, and see you guys next time. Peace.